Is your trusty Igloo cooler showing signs of wear with broken hinges? Instead of buying a whole new cooler, why not fix it with genuine Igloo replacement parts? These hinges are designed specifically for 25 to 165 quart rectangular Igloo coolers, making them the perfect fit to bring your cooler back to life without the hassle or expense of a full replacement. I ran into this exact issue when my old cooler's hinges finally gave out. Before splurging on a new cooler, I searched for replacement parts and found these authentic Igloo hinges. Installation was a breeze. Just a few minutes and the job was done. The hinges felt sturdy and reliable as I opened and closed the lid repeatedly, proving they're built to last. Plus, they come with stainless steel screws and UV inhibitors that protect against sun damage, so your cooler stays rugged and durable through many seasons. What you get is a smart, cost-effective solution that extends the life of your cooler without sacrificing quality. Made right here in the USA, these hinges offer peace of mind with their precision fit and durability. If you're ready to save money and keep your cooler working like new, these genuine Igloo replacement hinges are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to bring your cooler back to peak performance.